Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Gofundme link to your Instagram story. So first you need to open up your Instagram, and then here you can add your story by clicking on the your story button, and from here you can choose a image or video, or you can record one. I already have it in my gallery, so I will choose this one. And now if you want to add link to your story, for that you need to click on the stickers icon, and here you will see a link button. If you don't see that, then you can search for link, and here you can see a link sticker. Click on it, and this is where you can add GoFundMe link to your Instagram story. And this is where you need to add your username, and after that you need to click on done. So here you can see that a sticker has been added. That is a link sticker. Now if I post a story, you will see the link has been added. So this is how you can add GoFundMe link to your Instagram story. I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.